Here we introduce one of the most modern clinics in the Baltic states, the Ažuolyno Klinika. This is a private institution for mental care and treatment. Its services are affordable to all patients because part of the treatment is funded by the National Health Insurance Fund. We work 24/7 and we offer both scheduled and urgent assistance. Personal attention, confidentiality and competence of our staff ensures the efficiency of treatment at Ažuolyno Klinika. Psychiatrists, psychologists, social workers, art and occupational therapists, physiotherapists and nurses of mental health. We all make our best efforts so that this place would be not so much of a hospital, but rather a home, where everyone has their own private space. We believe when your mood is good, when you are being cared for by professionals and surrounded by the serenity of a soothing forest, you can get well much more rapidly and resume your usual life. Not only do we treat patients, we also consult with their families as part of their care. We treat mood, anxiety, adaptation, schizophrenic spectrum, eating, personality and behavior disorders, as well as psychological development and emotional disorders. In addition, we treat alcohol, drug and medication dependencies. We also offer nursing and long-term palliative care services. Our treatment is successive. Even after recovering, the patients can consult with their personal doctor at any time. Upon arrival, the patient is examined by a psychiatrist who evaluates their mental state and, if necessary, prescribes medication. In order to get the most accurate diagnosis and the most efficient treatment, the patients are examined and consulted individually or in groups by the psychologists. Thus, the patients can get an insight into their problems from the perspective of others. This leads to improving interpersonal relations and by learning new means of behavior. According to the latest research, art therapy is increasingly helpful in curing disorders of the soul. During these individual and group sessions, people get to know themselves better, set new thinking, and find inner tranquility. Sound therapy helps to express what we feel but fail to name. During dance therapy, many feelings easier to express by movement rather than words. Social workers are responsible for sessions of bibliotherapy, film therapy, and social skills development. Those reduce anxiety to help find a way out from difficulty or changing one's attitude towards circumstances. We are at your service 24/7 in Vilnius at Ažuolyno Street 5A.